they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Little front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. Like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap. Green hundreds in my safe, I got old racks. LA bitches always asking what a coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car, sweeter than a pop tart. You know you are not hard, I done made a hot chart. Remember I used to chop hard, living like a rock star. I'm living like a rock star.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and that.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. That ass pussy, make that pull out get weak. Yeah, you fucking with that ass pussy. Bring a bucket in the mouth, put this wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got, put this wet ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, what is the size? Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. Pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's roleplay, I wear disguise. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream. I don't love it.
Slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold that little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Cairo, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. I'm at hustling. You can't tell me nothing. I rap his ugly cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still gon' fuck. In a cup, that's my cousin. And you need to show me love. That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a plaid suit. No can do, no, I don't work for free. I used to smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple drink, and that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm posted at the swap meet in a robe, eating church's wings. So cold, no emergencies. See me in a cup.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
And you need to show me love.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt, Brad Pitt.
All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my engine leaders, if you got it, let me see it. Did it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing. I knelt on my knees, said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back.
Don't be dumb, young man. Gotta do it yourself.
It's up to you to turn the panic.
What?
The next lot, it's full here.
I was just gonna see that golf in that little spot.
There's nothing, it's nothing, you don't feed over there.
No, you see the VW?
Yeah,
I was gonna just park on the curb and partially.
You don't feed, son.
I won't.